not enough of these like fucking like newscaster like YouTubers talk about science. Yeah, we get it. Joe Biden's a fuckface. Yeah, we get it. The Republicans are gonna kill us. Yeah, we get it. The pandemic's a fucking genocide. All right, but let's talk about some cool shit. Existence of Earth Trojan asteroid confirmed could become ideal bases for basis maybe for advanced exploration of the solar system. This sounds cool, so let's fucking learn together. I'm reading this article with you. We're learning at the same fucking time right now. So blah blah blah. The fucking there you go. The two brightest points. Okay. The SOAR telescope, part of the North-Kiro-Tololo. I love that. Inter-American Observatory has helped astronomers refine the size and orbit of the largest known Earth-Trojan companion. By scanning the sky very close to the horizon at sunrise, the SOAR telescope in Chile, part of the Cerro-Tololo Inter-American Observatory, a program has helped astronomers confirm the existence of only the second known Earth-Trojan asteroid and reveals that it is over 1 kilometer wide, about 3 times larger than the first. Astronomers have confirmed the existence of a second known Earth Trojan, blah, 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 using the 4.1 meter SOAR, Southern Astrophysical Research telescope at Cerro Pachon in Chile. Astronomers led by Tony Santana Ros of the University of Alicante and the Institute of Cosmos Sciences of the University of Barcelona observed the recently discovered asteroid 2020 XL5 to constrain its orbit and size. The results confirm the 2020 XL5 is an Earth Trojan, an asteroid companion to Earth that orbits the sun along the same path as our planet does, and that it's the largest one yet found. So basically, you know, it's just a buddy. It's like kind of like it's like a moon, but not really, you know, in that kind of fashion. It doesn't revolve around the Earth, but it's like similar. In fact, we've got it. We've got a definition right here. Trojans are objects sharing an orbit with the planet, clustered around one or two special gravitational balanced areas along the orbit of the planet, known as the Lagrange points. Says Cesar Briceño of Snorlab. Max is woofing around. Hello, Max. Let me see if I can get him over here. Maxie, Max, come on, buddy. You got it. Come on, buddy. We got a Max dog here. I'm petting him. He's under the table, but I am petting him. Maxie, come on up. Come on up. Yeah, this setup that I've got right now is not very Max inclusive. But I'm working on it. Several planets in the solar system are known to have Trojan asteroids, but 2020 XL5 is only the second known Trojan asteroid found near Earth. Observations of 2020 XL5 were also made with the 4.3 meter Lowell Discovery Telescope, blah, blah, blah. Discovered on December 12, 2020 by the Pan-STARRS. The researchers found that 2020 XL5 is about 1.2 kilometers, 0.73 miles in diameter, about 3 times as wide as the first 2010 TK7, is estimated to be less than 400 meters or yards across. When 2020 XL5 was discovered, its orbit around the sun was not known well enough to say whether or not it is merely a near-Earth asteroid crossing our orbit or whether it was a true Trojan. SOAR's measurements were so accurate that Santana Ross's team were able to then go back and search for 2020 XL5 and archival images from 2012 to 2019 taken as part of the Dark Energy Survey. The Dark Energy Survey. Now that just sounds incredible. With almost 10 years of data on hand, the team was able to vastly improve our understanding of the asteroid's orbit. So this stuff is cool, folks. We're learning about Trojan asteroids on the show right now. 2020 XL5 will not remain a Trojan asteroid forever. It will remain stable in its position for at least another 4,000 years. But eventually it will be gravitationally perturbed and escape to wander through space. So, I mean, like, think about it. 4,000 years sounds like a long time to us. But, like, when you think about the age of this planet, 4,000 years is nothing. Like, humans have been around for, like, a couple 100,000 years, right? Like, in some capacity. Like, you know, so it's like 4,000 years ain't nothing. Like, what happened? Like, you know, the Jewish religion is more than 4,000 years old. So, you know, like, keep in mind this kind of stuff. They may not be. There could be many more Earth Trojans that have so far gone undetected as they appear close to the sun in the sky. That means that searches for and observations of Earth Trojans must be performed close to sunrise or sunset with telescopes pointing near the horizon through the thickest part of the atmosphere, which results in poor seeing conditions. SOAR is able to point to blah, blah, blah. Nevertheless, the prize of discovering Earth Trojans is worth the effort of finding them because they are made of primitive material dating back to the birth of the solar system and could represent some of the building blocks that formed our planet. They are attractive targets for future space missions. If we are able to discover more Earth Trojans, and if some of them can have orbits with lower inclinations, they may become cheaper to reach than our moon, says Briseño. So they may become ideal bases for an advanced exploration of the solar system, or they could have more source of resources. So, like, you know, instead of having a moon base, you could have an asteroid base. And then, like, you know, the asteroid will flow, and you can examine more parts. You know, the moon is stuck around the Earth, right? So the whole point is that these asteroids are kind of like, they're a little bit more freeform, so you can do a little bit more interesting stuff there. Anyway, that's cool. I like space. You know, I want to, you know, cover this when I can if I see some cool stuff on there. Because, you know, we got to stay educated, folks.